name is Reyhanna. Welcome to Lolland Automotive Africa, your number one automotive service care. At Lolland, we offer body work such as panel beating and spray painting. We also have engine and full vehicle diagnosis, mechanical engineering, suspension, brakes, and engine overhaul. And we have engines for different cars, local and imported, no stats, alternators, compressors, starter motors, computer boxes, gearboxes, tail lights, headlights, fenders, and we have many more. All these parts that I've mentioned, they are for different cars. You can find us off Kasangula Road, Roma Township, and you can call us on 0975 653096 or email us on lollandautomotiveafrica@gmail.com. You're welcome, people.